Let's take a look at the chart action for Solana. All right, so we had a big uptrend going something like that. We broke that uptrend going to the downside right here. So what I'm looking at right now is doing the Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top, something like that. That'll give me some levels to watch to put limit orders in. So what I'm looking at is the 38% level, the 50% level, and the 61% level. These are sitting at 159.22, 141.39, 123.55. We also are watching this resistance right here, and resistance right here. We have a trend line going to the downside, something like that. We already came down and filled the 38% level. Let's see if we could break this downtrend going to the upside. If not, let's see if we could fill some of these limit orders. If we break to the upside, I'll be looking at previous resistance, maybe something like that or something like that, maybe sitting around 189 or maybe around 210 to retest the previous resistance levels. I don't really see a clear pattern here, but I'll be looking at the previous resistance. And if we continue to trend to the downside, I'll be looking at these Fibonacci retracement levels. If we go over the total crypto market cap, we've been watching this uptrend going something like this. We broke that uptrend going to the downside right there. At the same time, we broke this 9 moving average right here. So what I'm thinking is, until we break this 9 moving average, something like this, I think we might be slightly bearish and maybe trending to the downside. I think it might be causing resistance, or it might act as resistance until we do break through it. I think once we do break through it though, that's going to be a bearish signal for us to look for. Alright, so if we swing over to the Solana versus Bitcoin chart, you can see that Solana has been doing great against Bitcoin. And we're still on this uptrend right here. We've been getting support. Actually, we just got support right here, and it looks like we're bouncing up now. Unlike the Solana to USD chart, we did not break this uptrend right there. It looks like we're still trending to the upside. So what I was saying, like on Solana, I think the next targets pretty much are going to be the previous resistance, something right there and something right there. Let's see if we could retest those and maybe even break those going to the upside. We're going to have to wait and see until we do though. I'm going to be looking at those as possible resistance levels though. Alright, so if we go back to Solana, like I said, I had limit order set at 159.22, 141.39, 123.55. Let's see if we could fill some of those limit orders, and if not, let's see if we could break this trend line going to the upside right here. I think if we start moving to the upside, I'm going to dollar cost average a little bit more and see if we could hit this target right here, or maybe even this target right here. Let me know what you guys think of Solana. If you guys like that video, hit that thumbs up button.